Hello student, in this video we have talked about how to on or auto ads on Google AdSense on my blog. So click on home icon and click on ads and click on this screen and scroll down, and this is my 3 website in which auto ads is on. So how can I on this auto ads? So click on this icon, edit, and from here you see auto ads. So click on that and auto ad is on. If you check on that, so is off, and you check on that, the auto ads is on. And optimize your existing ad unit. If you have already existing units, so click on, and if you have check on that, so it is off. So click on and your existing ad unit Google will be optimized. And from here you will see the ad formats. So click on that button and on every ads. Here are the types of ad, multiplex ads, and this ads I will be explain one by one inshallah in this course. So check on that all ads. And ad load. Ad load means the ad showing on your page minimum or maximum. It is the between average and it is the minimum, and if you have score on that maximum, so Google show maximum ad on your website page. So Google will check this my ads. Wait for a while. For example, I check on that minimum, maximum. It is an anchor ads. Close consent. It is existing ad units. It is an existing Google ad unit. It shows the Google AdSense. So scroll this to maximum and click on to apply to site. And your auto ad is on. So it is very important to on your auto ad. Thank you for watching this video.